In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan directly through the Capitec app. If you've never applied for a loan using your phone before, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step so the process is simple, fast, and easy to follow. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Capitec mobile banking app installed on your phone. Open the Play Store or App Store and update the app if necessary. Once the app is updated, open it and log in using your usual credentials. You'll then be taken to the home screen where you can access all your account features. Next, tap on the Explore tab at the bottom right corner of the app. Inside the Explore menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Credit to access the Credit and Loan section. Here, you can view options for personal loans, as well as other credit-related services like credit cards. To request a loan, select Personal Credit. You will then be guided through the loan application process with on-screen prompts. You'll need to provide some basic information, answer a few questions about your financial situation, and enter the amount of money you want to borrow. Once you submit your request, Capitec will review your profile to determine if you qualify. If your application is approved, you'll be presented with the available loan options, including interest rates and repayment plans. Review these options carefully and select the one that works best for you. After choosing your preferred loan option, the loan will be confirmed, and the funds should be transferred to your account shortly afterward. From there, you'll need to manage the repayment according to the terms provided, making sure to pay on time to avoid penalties. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily apply for and receive a loan directly through the Capitec app, all from the convenience of your phone.